Hello, so on Friday we looked at this sound, didn't we? So it's the first of the recap of our split digraphs. And so remember, they can't go next to each other, and there's a nice little magic key on the end, which makes the vowel sound a really, really strong vowel sound. So we say it as A, don't we? We don't say A, we say A. And our little E's on the end, there's a silent one. So A. Can you say that for me? A. 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 Can you remember the little rhyme that went with it? It was A, make a cake. A, make a cake. A, make a cake. Fantastic, well done. Right, today we're going to look at another one of our split digraphs. So this one is the I split digraph. So the same as with the A, the E at the end is magic, silent, so our vowel sound is a very strong vowel sound. So we say it as I. So I. Can you say that for me? I. In a big loud voice now. I. Really quietly. I. Well done. Right, the little rhyme for today is this little boy with his little brown lace-up shoes on. And it says, I, nice, smile. So can you say that for me? I, nice, smile. I, nice, smile. I, nice, smile. Fantastic, well done. Right, let's have a go at reading our sound today in some of our words. So remember that when we see our split digraph I, it's the I sound, okay? So it's I. So let's have a look at this one to begin with. So we've got I, file. Can you say that one for me? I, file. One more time. Well done. Let's have a look at this one. So we've got I, bike. Can you say that for me? I, bike. One more time. Well done, fantastic. Let's have a look at another one. Just draw my sound button so it helps you. And let's do this one. You ready? We've got I, time. I, time. Can you say that one for me? Time. I, time. Well done. Let's have a look at this one. Strike. Can you say that for me? Strike. One more time. Well done, fantastic. One more word before we get our fingers ready. So we have got we know what these two letters make, don't we? So this says B. We know that, don't we? So B, side, B, side, beside. Can you say that for me? Beside. E-side, beside. Well done. Right, get your thread fingers ready and your whiteboard/paper. And let's do some thread talk using our thread fingers. Let's start with the word. Let's start with pile. P-I-ul. P-I-ul. How many sounds made up pile? That's 3. Well done. So let's pinch them. P-I-ul. P-I-ul. Pile. Can you have a go at writing pile for me now? P-I-ul. P-I-ul. Pile. Don't forget to do your dots and dashes so we can see your sound buttons. So P-I-ul. Pile. Give yourself a tick for your P. Tick for your I split digraph and a tick for your ul. Well done. Right, let's do the word bike. B-I-K. How many sounds make up bike? That's right, it's 3. So B-I-K. 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 Let's pinch them. B-I-K. Bike. Can you have a go at writing bike for me? B-I-K. Bike. B-I-K. B-I-K. Bike. Tick for your B, tick for your I, tick for your K. Well done. Right, let's do side. 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 How many sounds make up the word side? It's 3. Well done. Let's pinch them. Side. 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 Can you have a go at writing side for me? Remember our split digraph I? Side. 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 Give yourself a tick for your S, tick for your I, and a tick for your D. Fantastic. Right, last word. Let's do time. Time. T-I-M. How many sounds make up time? 3. Time. T-I-M. Let's pinch them. T-I-M. T-I-M. Have a go at writing time for me. Time. T-I-M. T-I-M. Time. Give yourself a tick for your T, a tick for your I, and a tick for your M. Fantastic. Right, let's do our sound flashcards. We're going to have a mixture of set 2 and set 3. So this is the sound that we are looking for today, isn't it? It's our split digraph I. So when you see this, I want you to point at the screen and say I, nice, smile. Can you say that for me? Fantastic. Well done. I'm going to mix it in with some of our set 2 and set 3 sounds. And we'll say them as we go. And remember, when you see our special friends of the split digraph I want you to shout out I, nice, smile. Let's say them as we go. So we've got A, oi, A, oi, I, nice. Fantastic. Well done. Let's mix them up again. So we've got E, R, ow, O, I, nice. Well done. Let's do one more. A, O, ow, R, E, I, nice. Fantastic. Well done. So tomorrow we will look at another split digraph, and then we will nearly be finished all of our recapping of our split digraph. So I will see you tomorrow.